Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a grain hopper train. We don't know if it's very long or it's a little bit longer or a little short. Let's check it out. Actually, they're taking all of it. Here comes, I'm sorry, but the spit, I'm sorry. I don't know what I was thinking of. Here comes a striped hopper on the end. Yeah, we seen one striped hopper today. Before this, yeah. I never seen the AOKX hopper before. That's probably the new hopper. Yeah, it was a new hopper, yeah. Did you say how many striped hoppers we have? We have two. We have one here at the freight yard, and there's one at the Oil Creek Plastics. That's all we got for striped hoppers. I can hear the countdown. I can hear the countdown for picking up the for hooking up that hopper. I love that. Yeah, we got a new hopper right there in the middle. We're gonna roll it to the next video, and then this is after the southbound train. This is probably gonna be it for Jeffrey, the train expert, after we roll it. It was pretty good right there. We're gonna park these grain hoppers south, and then we're gonna stop here for today. Welcome back. This is the train channel. This is going to be the last video today before Thanksgiving. We have an OC&T grain hopper train heading south or heading north, and then they're gonna head south for parking. Let's check it out. Don't forget, there's a premiere at 7 p.m. tonight on the Train Expert channel. It's a 50th subscriber special for one of the OC&T trains. And yeah, this is a new hopper, yeah. The AOKX, that's something I've never seen before. Everything else, every other letter I've seen before, but that new hopper there. It must be in that OC&T run from probably last week or something. Yeah, last week. There wasn't no OC&T runs this week here on the... Oh yeah, there was an OC&T train on Monday, but I didn't get that. Or No, the trains goes to Oil City, and then Western New York takes them to Meadville. So the Norfolk Southern, because the NS will pick them up. I think we might see that striped hopper on probably, I don't know if we're going to get that on this Norfolk Southern. On this NS train, we're going to see. Because I knew the Norfolk, normally tomorrow there'll be a Norfolk Southern comes to Meadville, but because of the holiday, because of Thanksgiving, they're not going to, the Norfolk Southern trains will be off until probably Tuesday. There you go. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be. Oh, that's storage. I knew it was popped up. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.